I found the best audio processing techniques that will make your record material sound perfect. 80% of the video in terms of perception is sound. The processing techniques I'm going to show you will help you gain views on YouTube. That sound encourages the viewer to turn off your video much faster, which means if you have a good material, they don't wanna watch it. These same processing techniques are used on television and large YouTube channels. Hi, my name is Ilya. I've been working on radio for 5 years, 3 years on TV, and now I'm YouTuber, musician and work with bloggers. Let's dive in. First, preparing a place for recording. Choose a quiet place to avoid unwanted noise and interference, such as computer noise, street sounds or cat snoring. After recording, proceed to processing. Method number 1. We are going to use 4 simple steps. Equalize, compress, limit.
What the is this piece of shit?
Don't be intimidated by the obscure words, this will be easy. Open Adobe Audition. Select the file we are going to work with by clicking on this area twice. Hi, my name is Ilya. Go to Effect Rack and under Filter and EQ, select Parametric Equalizer. Click on High Pass Filter and cut it down to 50 Hz, so that the sound is not diff. Raise the frequency around 100 Hz by 3 dB to make the sound more bassy and fat. Slightly lower it around 300 Hz to make the sound less boxy, and raise to treble to make the sound more readable and transparent. Hi, my name is Ilya. You can also choose one of standard sets of settings. Next, go to Amplitude and Compression and add Multiband Compression. Select the Classic Master preset and set threshold so that the dynamics of the sound is around 0, but not beyond it. If you have a lot of noise in your recording, add a noise reduction plugin and play with the settings. Find the best settings for your particular recording. The last step is to add a hard limiter. It will cut all sounds to 0 decibels. And click Apply. Hi, my name is Ilya. The big goal of this channel is to share the experience with you, so that everyone who watched can become better and earn further on the skills. Your like and subscribe will speed up the release of new training videos. Method number 2. This method is absolute game changer, because even from a source like this,
in England we drive on the left side of the road. In Russia, road is the road. Drive where you want.
you can get this.
In England we drive on the left side of the road. In Russia, road is the road. Drive where you want!
A totally free service that allows you to do this is Adobe Podcast. Type in search term Adobe Podcast, follow the first link, we pass the free registration, and now we have access to the function we need. On the main screen of this site, click on Enhance Speech. Click here to select our source. We wait for the processing to finish and get final material. Download and check it out. If you want even more advanced sound lessons, where I'll dive deeper into the topic, post it in the comments. Even a cheap $45 mic can be made to sound like $400 mic. I leave links to both microphones in the description. Of course, with experience, you'll hear the difference between them, but for most tasks, this one will do. And especially since we know how to make perfect audio for YouTube videos.